Smashing.
Big fucking rolling pin for hell, man. What the fuck?
The Slug Boys, yay!
I have honor.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Licking your fingers after that one.
Aye, licking my spear. You can help me here, pal.
I couldn't fucking parry that guy for some reason. Where you going, you wee cunt? You wee cunt? Get me out of here, wee cunt!
Oh my god! He fucking saved me! We're here. We're fucking here.
Oh, see again.
Oh, for fuck's
Why
sake.
these
I'm
cunts
going.
want see so bad?
I'm going there. Oh.
What's only a bot?
Is it?
Ah, it was me!
I'm sorry. Fuck. Didn't know you could do that.
Yeah,
I thought it'd go through you. I'm sorry. Ah! Oh, no! No! Revenge!
I'm trying. I got the can.
Yes!
Ah, ah.
Oh, yeah.
We must save Norway.
Ah, fucking!
Fuck yeah.
Oh, somebody's at the
How's wrong,
stamina. Somebody's at the stamina. I'm at the stamina.
I got mine.
Go on.
How song mo? Mahan to me, bing chilling. Can't wait for a fight.
Bring him on, bring him on.
The fuck are they? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Fucking amazing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. Fucking winning the game.
I need to execute her before I bleed out. Right, I did.
Gotta patch myself up. Fucking save me. Oh, another one? Fuck yeah. Let's go. Fuck off. I should let you go,
Fucking
actually.
Just fucking ran him down.
I'm actually loving Valkyrie, man. Those
What do you
three kills in a row. I killed like 2 of them, like behind you. Hey, oh, fuck off. What? Where are you going, man? You can't run from me. You can't run from me. Ah! Where are you going? Oh, fuck.
Oh, he's got his teammates. I killed
Oh,
one.
what? No! I got one, but the other guy got me.
In the caption, see again. I hate these kids.
Oh, fuck. I didn't realise that fight was going on.
Fuck you. Ah, my nut.
The cunt I was chasing fucking jumped off the edge and died. He'd rather fucking leave the boat than fight me.
Just stabbing each other in the back. They're savage. The shit he's off, man. I'm not even going to chase him. Run. Run for me. And tell everybody else who I am. Oh, I just got revenge just as I die.
Ah, I'm being chased like fuck.
I'm spectating you. Roll! Roll and run! Oh. I'm coming for you, I'm coming! Right on his arse, he's no idea.
I see him. I see you doing that. You're the commander, the Garland.
Oh, the white man take girl and we kill Commander Joe.
Commander, Commander! I fucking missed him! I fucking missed him! Victory! Fuck
Commander
off.
defeated.
Get stumped. Get stumped. Get fucking...
That bloody drink came there.
Huh? Mine's still fucking coming. I mean...
Quick 2v2 while we wait. That'll be a quick one. I'm getting fucked up, by the way.
Me too, I'm getting played out like fuck. I'm dead. I hate the
Oh
fucking...
man, this guy's just light spamming, by the way. I got hard, but I'm dying as well. Yeah!
I don't know how to tackle her, but... Got her.
Fuck you. Don't mind.
No mind.
Ah, fucked it. I fucked it twice in a row there. I've done the same thing. Ah! Yes!
Fucking hell.
Fuck them! Oh well, I just randomised again. I'm fucking Shaolin monk.
Oh fuck. Right. I've always wondered if like they would accept me.
Don't see why, you know.
Live their lifestyle for like maybe like a month or two. But I know if you fuck up one like stance or something like that, you get fucking smacked with a stick.
Aye, they beat the shit out of you and snap your back and all that.
Aye. I'm getting... Oh, I can't go anywhere without... See this fucking samurai cunt? He puts on something to become invisible, and then he hides behind that one tree and jumps out when you go for A. Trying to get A, and he fucking shows up out of nowhere. Like...
Shows up out of nowhere.
My fucking drink, man. Oh, one cunt, but I'm low as fuck right now. And I fucking died out of nowhere. One of the minions killed me. I'm dead. Oh, what the fuck happened to my body? Ah,
See you later. One guy left.
aye.
See you later. Oh, hey!
See you later, mate. That's two fucking guys knocked off. Fucking guys with Dead by Daylight masks walking about.
I don't know why the fuck they're doing a Dead by Daylight crossover anyway.
You've got a guy to spawn. He's out of stamina! He's out of stamina! He's out of stamina!
I'll scare him. I'll not fight him, but I'll scare him. Just run about him.
What?
Might be able to get there just in time to get out of the
I tried to fucking get there. I'm stupid.
They coming. Come on then! Yeah! Yeah! That guy's got the swastika on his fucking leg.
Where?
On our team.
My team?
Ellen.
What the what? I was looking at fucking Ramesses in front of me.
No, Kelly and the Nazi apparently. I just Captain America that cunt. I didn't even know she could do that. Whoa, Hurricanrana! What the fuck? I just pulled out two mad moves. I'm playing this cunt for no one. Yes, man.
Oh, this guy's mad.
No mad enough for the gruesome twosome.
Ah, fucked.
I'll revive you, don't worry.
Oh, it's happening. Oh, it's happening. I'm
That guy's
alive.
just not going to attack when I was sitting revive you. What's he all about? This guy thinks he's the trickster, the jokester! And no, he's no! I've got a Captain America move, you know.
Aye.
Watch this, I'm going to throw my shield, look.
Aye.
Yeah!
Fuck. What the fuck? Just the boost I need. Wait, there's another Scottish cunt on the other team. That was ridiculous.
Big Jambo.
Aye. Why are you calling yourself Jabble though?
That's his scheme name.
Fucking cutting about. Fucking slashing cunts.
Jambo Voorhees coming.
Jumbo Voorhees.
We've got 2 bots! Again! No! In your anger, you killed her. No!
Oh, I'm here.
I was just doing a wee bit of Star Warsy stuff there while you were away. I don't know if you heard me or no.
No.
You might
Sorry.
hear it back if you're recording it.
Right. Oh, did you see my fucking Power Rangers motor in Forza?
I was actually fucking meaning to reply to that, but I was absolutely steaming when you sent it, and I forgot even where I was. And I was in my room the whole time.
No!
I
I
think
can't.
we're in a bit of a situation here, boys.
I'm in a bit of a pickle. I'm being chased like fuck. Wagwan!
Wagwan, my brethren.
Wagwan, barbarian.
Oh, come up!
Oh, come on!
That
No
bridge.
one shall cross this bridge. No one can pass.
That
Wait.
bridge you were on, there's an Easter egg if you stand in the middle of it.
Fuck off. Shut up.
It's an Assassin's Creed reference.
I don't believe you.
Some would call it the leap of faith.
Go for it. Ah!
Oh well, at least you humoured me.
Ah! Ah! Shut myself. I thought I was taking the point, and then the whole fucking ring went boom, a big fucking warden comes up. Oh fuck. Right into the fucking pole. Did you see that? I fucking punched him. He smacked his head off the fucking side.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We got it. We're always here. Behind you, I'm coming. Dick.
That cunt waited, so I'm not going to fight him. You fucked him up anyway, but he had respect for me, so I had respect for him there in that moment.
I didn't.
I'm on C. Right,
Right.
everybody's on C. There's only 2 left.
I'll stay here. Die! Die!
Yeah!